Hi, I'm Andrew from Steroplast. We're here today just to give you a quick demonstration of the Steroguard Biohazard Kit and Absorbent Powder. So first step is to put on your PPE. In the kit there's some gloves and an apron. We've just got some water in this bowl here. We're going to put some food colouring in and then show you how quickly the super absorbent powder will turn the liquid into a solid that can be safely cleaned up. So in a spillage situation, you can see this water that just contains green food dye, and if we pour on some of the super absorbent powder, it will quickly turn it into a solid that can be carefully scraped up. The liquid has instantly turned to a solid, and we can now scrape it up. Then you just need to disinfect with the SteriCleanse spray. Dispose of the waste, and finally you can use the handy hand wipe just to make sure your hands are clean.